Today we are going to learn and play a game called Toss and Blend. Tell me, Toss and Blend. Yesterday you've already learned blending. Do you remember blending? Yes. Very good. So you can see here there are some paper cups and we have what we call some blends written there. Can you see them? Can you see them, children?
Yes.
Okay. Can you sound this out? Blend. Okay. And okay. This one, it's a very good. What about this? Okay. And then you have and okay. Now, this is a game that you often play at a carnival. Have you ever gone to a carnival? Okay. So you must have seen that we toss a chip and then we play. But this we are going to just blend it with phonics because you have already learned blending and now we are going to do that. So I'm going to call some of your friends and you are to stand behind this line, and you are going to toss this coin into any one of those cups, paper cups, okay? And in whichever it falls, you have to make a word or find a word from this room which has the same blend as that. Clear? Which has the same sound as that. Would you be able to do it?
Yes.
Of course. Can I come here? Yeah. Okay. Sound this out. Okay. Find something that you can... Can you find something with that blend anywhere here?
Blue.
Very good. Give it a hand. Okay. So I'm going to put that word down on the board. Very good. Next one. Okay. Sound it. Sound it. Okay. Find a word. Find a word.
Shirt.
Okay, shirt. Very good.
Yes.
Okay, he has shirt.
Shoes.
Very good. Okay, just a minute. Okay, very good. Next, Geeta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Sound it. Ch. Okay. Say a word that you find in this room.
Yes, ma'am.
Chair. Very good. Clap for her.
Today we are going to do a small activity that is called word slider.
Yes.
Okay? You can all see this?
Yes.
So now can you see the two words written here in blue?
Yes, ma'am.
The first letter sound is O. The first letter sound is O. And the second letter sound is P. The second letter sound is P. And when we combine this, what we are going to call this? O. Repeat again. O. And now you should look at the first letter. What is this letter sound? Ch. And Ch. O. Now when you combine this, how are you going to pronounce it? Ta. How are you going to pronounce it? Ta. Ta. O. Ta. So now we are going to come to the second letter. And this is? This letter is? And when we combine with up. 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 So this letter become mo. This letter become, so this word become mo. Now, can we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Cha. Cha. Up. Cha. Cha. Up. Cha. Now we are going to slide it again and the next sound is sh. Look at my finger where I'm pointing. Now, good, very good. Now we are going to come to the next one. And this is D. The sound is dr. The sound is dr. The sound is
Dr.
and the next one
Up.
this is
Dr.
and this is
Up.
this is
Dr.
this is
Up.
and now when we combine this
Drop.
drop. Very good. Clap for yourself.
Today we will play a game that is called Eggshell Phonics. Right? What will we play? Eggshell Phonics. What is this? The hole. What is this? What do you see?
An
This is an egg. An egg. This is an egg. Now, how will you sound it? Egg. Egg. Now,
Sound it.
the whole word now? Chick. The word is chick. What do you mean by chick? Young one of a hen. Sound the whole word. Chick. Have you seen the chick? Yes. Now a magic is going to happen. Now, see what is coming. So you have guessed it right. You have pronounced it right. It is a chick.
Today's activity name is Scavenger Hunt. I have some cards, index cards, and there is written some blends. The first one is bl. What is this? Give it a sound. Loudly. Bl. Now I call a student. Ashok, come here.
Yes, sir.
Find some cards from this bucket and complete the word and give it a sound. Sound it.
You. Bull. You. Blue. Blue.
Speak loudly.
Blue.
Blue. Very good. Now, there is next blend. Sound it. Very good. Sound loudly. Now, come next student. Anybody? Come here. Yes. Complete it by finding a word from this bucket and give it a sound. In.
Green. In. Green. In. Green.
Very good. Green.
Thank you, sir.
Next blend is sound it loudly. Tr. Very good. Now come. Find a suitable word and complete it.
Today we are going to play an activity stretch and say.
Now children, you have to say the sound of each letter. As the elastic is stretched, just say the sound. What is the sound of first letter? What is the sound of first letter? The next one? And the third one? Together it will be dat. The last letter sound should be clear. Say again children. Dat. Again. Dat. Say the sound of the first letter children. It is. The next one. Again. The sound of the last letter. Together it will sound as sit. Together it will sound as sit.